Hey guys, this is Muskan Malwani as a young woman entrepreneur, educator, trainer, speaker and founder of Stay Engaged with Educate. So today I'm going to tell you about myself. That means I'm going to introduce myself because as many people ask me about my brand, my channel, my work, what is the purpose behind this, my journey. So today I'm going to tell you about myself and about my life journey. So right from the childhood, I loves to do teaching and I was having small blackboard also. So with the help of 2-3 dupattas, I just tried to wrap it like a sari and I wore it. Yes, and with the help of that stick, that dandiya stick, I make my students, not my students, my neighborhood friends, I make my students learn that this is A, this is B, this is C. So I didn't know at that time that in my upcoming time, my passion becomes my profession. I love teaching. So with my name, I'm going to start giving my introduction. My name is Muskan Malwani. As you all know, I belongs from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. And if I'm going to talk about my educational qualifications, so I have done my schooling from Ilva Higher Secondary School and I have given 10th and 12th from CBSE board. And if I'm going to talk about my college, that means graduation, so I have completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Commerce from Gujarati Girls College, DAV. And I have completed my BA, that is Bachelor's of Education and Specialization in Commerce and Accountancy from SDPS Women's College from SNDT University, Mumbai. In my B.Ed program, I have presented my research paper on 3rd National Conference in SDPS Women's College of Education, and the title of my research paper is Teachers' Attitude Towards ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology, in secondary level schools of Indore city. And I have participated as an anchor in 4th National Conference. And one more thing I want to tell you about my research paper, that my research paper is also published in International Journal of Official Publication of SDPS Women's College. And now I am pursuing MCOM final as I have completed my MCOM previous from Maheshwari College, DAV. Now my working experience. So I have started my career from Boston Babes and St. Mira's School, in which I was a co-curricular, that means activity teacher. In that I have taken drawing, calligraphy, advanced English grammar, and I was tutor too. Really, I'm very thankful to them because they have given me opportunity at that time when I was in grade 10. So thank you so much Fali ma'am and Rajpal ma'am. And then I have started my own brand, that is Stay Engaged with Educate. So first I have started taking summer classes in which I have taken drawing, calligraphy, mehendi, pencil shading, painting, clay work, project work and advanced English grammar, etc. So do you know how much I have charged for 2 activities in summer classes? I have charged 300 rupees, 300 rupees only for 2 activities. It is okay, money is not my first priority. My first priority is name, fame, appreciation, love of students and the attachment of students. These are my first priorities. Yes, I am not saying like this that money is not the priority. It is, but for me it comes at last. Yes, it is essential for our life, it is a basic wants, but it comes at last for me. Yeah, and then I have started taking classes, tuitions, until I'm taking and running my brain, Stay Engaged with Educate from 7 years. Yes, and the foundation date of Stay Engaged with Educate is 13th May 2013. as we have completed 7.5 years. With this, I'm having 5 years of experience in CBSE schools, which are Delhi International School, Agrawal Public School, and Brilliant Higher Secondary School. And I have taught English, Math, Science, Social Science, all the subjects I have taken. And I worked as primary and trained graduate teacher. With this, I got so many certificates and appreciation letter in school, colleges, at my workplace, and in COVID times too. And I have given duty in board examination like 10th and 12th, and I have given duty in NEET 2020, that is National Eligibility Entrance Test. And with this, I have attended so many webinars, workshops, and seminars, conferences. I have not wasted my time during this lockdown and COVID. I have started my YouTube channel, which is on skills development. I have covered the part that communication, types of communication at workplace. That workplace पर communication क्या role play करती है? Yes. And after that, I have started LSRW skill, that is listening, writing, reading, and speaking skills. And then I have uploaded one video on activity based learning, subject mathematics, and chapter name is angles. Yes, and then I have taken part in IYDS, that is Indian Youth Development Skill. In that I have taken part as a storyteller, and I got third position with a gift voucher and certificate. Then I have invited as a guest speaker at Vision Spark English spoken classes by Shivani ma'am, principal of Arbuda International School, for presenting communication skills speech. And I have invited as a guest speaker at Sri Aurobindo Institute of Technology by Durgesh Mishra sir for presenting a webinar on communication skills. And then we 5 teachers were invited for a debate, that is on online teaching versus offline teaching, by Anupama Das ma'am, founder of MD class, and she gifted us a beautiful sari. Now at last, about my hobbies. So I love to do dance, drawing, calligraphy, writing work, teaching, seeking for new things, doing new innovations. So this is all about me. As many people asked me that what is EduCreate. So it means like my way of teaching is totally activity based. Yes, so I want my children, my students, that they learn through some activities, but by doing some creativity. Yes, so education plus creativity. See, education plus creativity, it makes EduCreate. So stay engaged with EduCreate. Like EduCreate, that means stay engaged with EduCreate. engaged रहने का क्या मतलब है? engaged रहने का ये मतलब है, आज जो बच्चे हैं, बच्चे बोर हो चुके हैं टीचर सेंटर्ड लर्निंग से. तो बहुत सारे स्कूल्स में भी यही है कि टीचर सेंटर्ड लर्निंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, स्टूडेंट सेंटर्ड लर्निंग होनी चाहिए. तो स्टूडेंट सेंटर्ड लर्निंग कैसी होगी? विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, जहां बच्चा इंगेज हो सके. ऐसा नहीं कि टीचर ने पढ़ाया, बच्चे ने याद किया और एग्जाम दे दिया. नहीं, टीचर ने पढ़ाया है तो टीचर का पढ़ाने का तरीका एक्टिविटी बेस्ड होना चाहिए. यस, सो एक्टिविटी बेस्ड होगा तो बच्चा इंगेज रहेगा. सो स्टे इंगेज्ड विद एजुकेशन. So education and creativity, these are the two sides of one coin. Yes, education का creativity के साथ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I thought, जिन लोगों ने मुझसे क्वेश्चन किया था that what it means, educate का क्या मतलब है, so education plus creativity, that means educate. Yes, now I want to disclose the name of my guru, that is Nirmal Bhatnagar sir. He's founder and CEO of Dreams Achievers, and gave me proper guidance, gave me hours, made me push to do the things. So thank you so much, sir, for motivating me, for encouraging me, and listening me for hours. And I'm so sorry I bothered you many times by my questions that sir ये कैसे होगा, मैं कैसे करूँ, आगे इसका क्या होगा, ऐसा होगा भी कि नहीं. So sorry I bothered you so much. Yes, it is a very much truth that I'm an enthusiastic. That name is given by you only, that you are an enthusiastic learner. And yes, I'm having that capabilities, that abilities, that hard work and honesty to do my work in a very proper way. But for these things, guidance and roadmap is mandatory, which is given by you only. So thank you so much, sir, my good. As another question was, what do you want to become now as you became a teacher but still you are continuing your studies? So for that my answer is, I want to become, I will not disclose it. When will I will be become, then you will get to know. So have patience. Now one more question, it's a very interesting question, that as you reached this position, so there are many people who got jealous of you or hates you. So for this question, answer is yes. There are many haters, many people who jealous of me. Yes, this thing I felt at my workplace too, but I'm very much confident about my work, as I have given 100% everywhere at every workplace, and everyone likes me just because of my hard work and honesty in work, and that management, administrator, department coordinators all have appreciated me for my work. And with this jealousy looks by their face, जो जलने वाले थे उनके फेस से समझ में आ जाता था कि जल रहे हैं. But I don't care if they are watching my sessions. So by this they can understand that मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ. I'm not gonna disclose their names. Okay. But as I have not faced at workplace only, सिर्फ मैंने ऐसे लोगों को workplace में face नहीं किया. I have faced that kind of people at my school times, and when I have started my brand, I have faced many people like who are jealous of me. But it's okay. At that time I was very much irritated and frustrated, but my guru told something that just do focus on your work and on your goal only. From that time I just started doing that only. I'm just focusing on my work only. But that jealous people either taking competition with me or just wanted to make my work spoil. या तो मेरे साथ कंपटीशन लेने की करते हैं या मेरा काम बिगाड़ने की करते हैं, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता है, नहीं कर पाते. So my guru said that you have or you are given the remote of your mood. So now मैंने अपना रिमोट उनसे ले लिया है, and I am the only person जो अपना मूड अपने हिसाब से रख सकती है. As my guru said that the jealous people, that whatever they want to do, tell them to do. Because of that kind of people, you reached here. So I'm very much thankful to my haters, that you haters gonna hate, but still I love you, and who loves me a lot. My love never ends for you all. Yes, last but not the least, I would like to thank my parents for doing this struggle and make me reach at this position. And secondly, I would like to thank my all the gurus who gave me guidance, who gave me a roadmap, encouragement, motivation, and just because of you, I'm here at this position. Thirdly, I would like to thank my students who shows love and who shows trust on me. Their parents, thanks a lot. for you are also the supporters who make me here at this position and giving me unconditional love. And fourth and last, my colleagues who helped me in my bad times. So thank you so much guys, and thank you so much all of you for giving me guidance, for doing struggle, for helping, for giving this unconditional love. Thank you so much. And some questions I have not raised here at this platform, but definitely I will revert back to you personally. So now it's time to tell you about the mission and vision of Stay Engaged with Educreate. So here is the mission and vision of Stay Engaged with Educreate. So here I have made up some posters and graphics of Stay Engaged with Educreate. Our motto is to make student, yes, not to make money. We are not the money makers, we are student makers. So our fees are very reasonable and very attractive. So don't worry to give a call दैट बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइस होगा या इस चीज़ के लिए इतना पैसा यहाँ पे लगेगा. बहुत ज़्यादा रीजनेबल प्राइस है. फर्स्ट है हमारा दैट स्टे एंगेज विद एजुकेट. दैट मीन्स सी प्रेजेंट्स यू ऑनलाइन offline mode, both online and offline mode with home tuitions also. These three things are available. Yes, with we are taking nursery to grade 10th. Yes, and 11th 12th all fields are available, that is commerce, PCM, PCB, with all the optional subjects. Okay, with this we are having faculties of BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, all graduation, post graduation and professional education. For all you will get the faculties. Yes, and with this हमारे पास दो चीज़ें हैं. लाइक अगर आपको ग्रुप स्टडीज़ में जाना है so you can go for group, and if you want one-to-one interaction you will get that also. Yes. Now second is our faculties are fully qualified and experienced. Third, there will be daily or weekly test. आपके daily test भी हो सकते हैं, weekly test भी होंगे. And fourth is after class support. अगर बच्चे को लगता है कि आगे उसको बहुत सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, लाइक क्लास कंप्लीट होने के बाद भी उसे लगता है, सो दे आर फ्री टू कॉल, देयर पेरेंट्स आर फ्री टू कॉल, दे कैन कनेक्ट अस एट एनी टाइम. Yes. Now our second graphic or second, if you are talking about our second graphic or poster, so that is Jollyphonics. In Jollyphonics, there is a live and offline, both classes are available. In that we are taking the course is learning the letter sounds, learning letter formation, blending, that means reading. Fourth, identifying the sounds and words, and fifth is tricky words. We will complete this course in 3 months. If your child having a good grasping power, then. But don't worry, we will complete it and make your child jollyphonic. Yes. And our third graphic is on activities. That is co-curricular activities in which your child can learn many things like drawing, calligraphy, pencil shading, art and craft like bottle art, container art, pot art, Warli art, photo frame making, collage making, bookmarks, wall hanging, clay work, painting like canvas painting, glass painting, coffee painting, earbud painting, cotton painting, wall painting, sponge painting, vegetable fruit printing, fabric painting, and paperweight, posters making, temporary tattoo making, scrapbook, exploding box, best out of west, handwriting improvement, project work, advanced English grammar for all age group and for all housewives too. So these are the co-curricular activities. If your kid are boredom of studies, so just engage them with EduCreate and engage them with these activities. And if you are going to enroll your child in these activities or curricular or co-curricular activities, definitely you will get the certificates too. Okay, so don't worry about certificate, you all will get the certificates too. Yes. We are appointing qualified and best experienced teachers with good communication skills. So don't worry about quality. You will get good quality. Okay, and now I'm going to share some implementations. Like as I have said, as I have told you my beginning, that how I have started and I have executed, and now I'm going to tell you about my future plannings, that we are going to present event or parties management, and second thing, we are going to start talk shows. Talk shows, that means we are going to take interviews from the famous and great personalities of Indore or maybe of India or maybe of abroad. Yes, and third, we are going to conduct 7 days workshop. Maybe possible it is of 1, 2 or maybe possible of 7 days workshop. So you will get updated time to time, but for all the updates you have to like our page. That means you have to like our Facebook page, which is Stay Engaged with EduCreate, and we are having Instagram page also, that Stay Engaged with EduCreate, and we are on YouTube, as it is my channel Muskan Balwani. As on YouTube you will get to learn more and more things like skills development, activity based learning, storytelling, Jollyphonics, curricular and co-curricular activities. Many things you will get to learn on YouTube. So you have to subscribe my channel for that. And if you want to contact me personally, so you can WhatsApp me on this number, and either you can mail me on this given mail ID. If you want to update it all the time, so you have to like my Facebook page, follow my Instagram page, and you have to subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more things. If you want to learn, then you have to subscribe my channel also. Yes. And there are many things like creative gift wrapping. अगर आपको creative gift wrapping सीखना है, and if you want creative gift wrapping या आपको चाहिए, so you can contact us. Yes. And second is mehendi. If you want to learn all the styles of mehendi, then please you can ping me, or you can contact us on this number. Yes. And Karwa Chauth thali, if you want your thali decorated and very beautiful, so you can contact us. And Diwali decors, if you want your home beautiful with the handmade things, so contact us. And you are having our Facebook page, Instagram page, and our YouTube channel, my number and email ID. And there are many things like creative gift wrapping. अगर आपको creative gift wrapping सीखना है, and if you want creative gift wrapping या आपको चाहिए, so you can contact us. Yes. And second is mehendi. If you want to learn all the styles of mehendi, then please you can ping me, or you can contact us on this number. Yes. And Karwa Chauth thali, if you want your thali decorated and very beautiful, so you can contact us. And Diwali decors, if you want your home beautiful with the handmade things, so contact us. And you are having our Facebook page, Instagram page, and our YouTube channel, my number and email ID. So you can contact us or connect us with any time. We are available 24/7 for you all. Yes. And अगर आपको गिफ्ट रैपिंग सीखनी है या आपको गिफ्ट रैपिंग करवानी है, मेहंदी सीखनी है या उसे बनवाना है, करवा चौथ थाली या दिवाली डेकोर्स, आपको ये सारी चीज़ें सीखनी है या आपको करवानी है, so you can contact us on this number. But टाइमली अपडेट्स के लिए, क्योंकि सिर्फ ये चीज़ें नहीं है, आगे और चीज़ें आपको देखने के लिए मिलेंगी। सो बी अपडेटेड, हमारे साथ अपडेटेड रहिए। हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे लाइक कीजिए, इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर लाइक कीजिए, यूट्यूब पर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, मस्ट है वो। हाँ, एंड मेरा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है, इफ़ यू वांट to learn or if you want that things, you can contact me on that number. And fifth is email ID you are having, if you want to mail me, you can. So at last I just want to say you, so be connected with us. Yes, be connected with, stay engaged with Educreate. Have a good day.